And then finally, I've added all the main components that we need in the design, and I've recreated the block diagram that Copilot suggested in the step. And so the way Copilot can help during sort of the review of a sort of a draft schematic or a first draft, that's sometimes called, is basically I have a few different options. One is I can upload the diagram and ask Copilot to review and match the diagram to what it sees on my design, but also what the product requirements are. Again, this is one of the very important points about having the product requirements right in the project, where Copilot can always check back to the product requirements and have those top of mind whenever we ask a question. So in this case, Copilot is answering me, identifying all the different elements in the block diagram, and then making sure that all those match both to the product requirements and what I have set in my design. For example, the CO2 sensors, the air quality ones, the microcontroller, making sure that it matches the block diagram and that is suitable for the type of design that I'm trying to design. And then finally, I can ask Copilot to review in a general level that all the different components that I have in my design will work well with each other. So for example, in this case, if it has the right voltage levels in the input to work both with the battery-powered application, but also with the 3.3 volt regulator that I have. So at each step, Copilot is both giving you options and making sure that you have what you need to design, but also making sure that every single step that you make or that your team makes is according to the product specs and or the standards that your company sets for projects like this.